I'm on the hunt for Hellebores today, and I've come to JC Nursery in Gilroy, and I'm going to take a look. Jose said he has some here, and I'm excited because I want to get a couple of those. And you know me, I'll probably get something else too. So we'll take a good look at the nursery and see what pretties I can take home with me today. Let's go. What are you guys preparing over there?
That's premiums, yellow weight. We just divide it to make some more. They're very pretty, see?
Beautiful.
Yeah, nice colors.
Yeah. Variegated leaves. Really pretty.
I try to prepare as much as I can right now.
Good time for it.
Yeah.
The nursery's really grown.
Yeah.
Every time I come, you've got more and more and more. Happy. Oh, look at these hellebores. Oh, yeah. Budded up. So pretty. I love hellebores. Look at all the buds on them. Oh, yeah. Taking some of those babies home with me. I just have to pick mine. See that one right there? I'm going in. I always have to pick one in the middle. Why do I do that? Love these little buds. This one. Oh, yeah. So those are coming home with me. And Jose said that this one is going to be this shade.
Red.
This one right here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this is just soil. It rained last night. Guys, look at this. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. The flower on that. Gorgeous. All kinds of landscape plants. Look at the little berries on those. I love that. If I had a truck, that would be in my truck. Big variety here. Some beautiful salvias. I've been thinking about planting some olive trees down the side of the hill, so I might come back at a later date and get a couple olive trees. I have some of this Mexican rua, and it is gorgeous. It gets these yellow blooms at the tips, and it's just so pretty, and it smells so good. Love this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. I'm going to have to ask the price on these because these are beautiful.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
You go to NAVARRO'S nursery.
Yes.
You don't remember me? Rufo.
Yes, Rufo, old friend. Hi. I've got it on. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you working out here
Yeah.
for Mr. Navarro? Wow. You did that?
Yeah.
Wow. You're talented. That's a beautiful jade.
There's the Argentine Tuchus, but this is a couple monsters. And I have I don't know, I think so, mix the Ramosissima and Dichotoma. I have more there, but this is small ones. And a couple Hercules variegated. The Phoenix Saunium. And this is the small one, this is Carnival.
How's your own collection at home going?
So the road is closed in Big Sur. You know, I live in Lucia Lodge.
Oh.
It's now open. Maybe in 3 weeks more supposed open. So I grab a couple collection and put here. Never say growing. Help Navarro.
Good. That's great. What a great team he has.
The Riverstone is, you know, there is a lot Riverstone there.
Is that a phoenix?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I have that in 2 colors there, but in Marachepo is same this.
So pretty. Look at the color on that, and the leaves are so different.
Now is, you know, is no sun. This is the reason it's a little yellow. But you know, in summer it's full color.
Mhm.
More deep.
Oh, that's part of your collection.
Yeah.
Wow. What is this?
This is a martillo cactus geometrians variegated. Sorry, cristata. Yeah.
Wow.
And this is a Mammillaria haniana. This is the purple flowers. And this is the old man, but cristata.
That is
NAVARRO'S
really
out there,
neat. So that's an old man, huh?
yeah, I say one for my collection.
I would too.
Have a couple of those.
Yeah.
I like this. Beetles, but it's too much, too many.
Well, you can't have too many plants.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's light, but in the sun it's wine color. You know, it's a purple deep, but now it's a little light.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, look at this. Have a lot of babies.
Yeah, that one's been propagated.
This is my sample.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So how many days a week are you here helping Manny out?
I'm start here in May. I come in only 2 days a week, Monday and Tuesday.
Okay.
And yeah, so clean here, everything there.
So if people want to come and talk plants with you,
Yeah.
and especially succulents
Yeah.
and cactus, then you're all game, huh?
Yeah. I like the babies
Oh,
here.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's a wine color.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, light color. But everything is coming with babies. I'm very excited with this.
That's beautiful. Look at the color on that, baby.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I think so is the family, the super bang. This is a little different.
Super Bang?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I love all the names on aeoniums.
Yeah, super bang.
That is really pretty. I like the lime green stripes in there.
See your channel and YouTube.
Oh, good. Thanks.
I remember so. Maybe one day she come in here, but I see the videos is for GC Nursery.
Oh, no. I mean, I can do both. It's not a problem. You know, JC and NAVARRO'S are right next door to each other, and they're friendly, and both places are great places for plants. Jose, JC Nursery, JC, they carry landscape plants of all types, fruit trees. I was in the on the search for Hellebores because I love Hellebores.
He's amazing guy. He's same my father, you know. But he helped me with a machine coming for clean here and pass the machine here for playing here for make the greenhouse. It's a lot help.
Yeah,
I know how machine. So, but he coming, oh, Rufo, I come in, I help you.
he's such a nice guy.
He's super
I love
nice.
Jose.
It's very nice him.
These are really neat too.
Yeah. This is onions very similar with a chono, but the name is a carnival. So it's a little more small one, the leaves, but the color is same. This is a chono, this is a big one. And this is a small one, is a carnival.
So there's the big size right here.
Yeah.
And they do get big heads on them.
Yeah. The color
And these are smaller.
similar.
Yeah, really pretty.
Now it's
But look at the color on this one.
yeah.
That is really pretty.
Yeah. Coming with a lot of babies, you see?
Yeah.
I moved, I clean a couple more big ones, but this coming more. It's crazy. Normally, but sometimes coming when it's a little
Yeah.
different. And
Just dying to be different.
you see this?
Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Look at
Yeah.
those.
A lot of babies.
The thing is, with all these different types of aeoniums, you can develop more aeoniums with the seeds and combine them and
Yeah.
cross-pollinate, and
Yeah.
it's great.
This is my idea. Maybe I cross and the snake flowers. I put outside. Now it's in the greenhouse, but in summer I put everything outside.
How long have you been interested in plants?
I think so. I started my collection in 2017, I think so. But I only grab a couples, the black prince and the rainbows. In the moment is the The number one, I think so, is the Black Prince variegated. This is an eBay. I got my first. But now I know how Black Prince have onions. I'm not sure you understand everything, but you know my English is partial.
Oh, you're doing
so
great. You're doing great.
I need to go to the school there more, but
You know, I need to learn more Spanish. I mean, I've born and raised in California. I should know Spanish by now, and I don't.
yeah. And this coming, I had one rose. And look, and this is my this is small one.
That's where you cut it, and here
Yeah.
it's growing back with more. Isn't that special? So pretty. And these are part of your own private collection?
Yes, this is okay. This is my collection. So I bring this for you.
Oh,
I'm excited you're coming to us.
I'm excited you were here today.
I have a NAVARRO'S, and part of my collection is here, so I'm
Thank you.
excited.
Thank
I
you
have a new
so
place.
much. Look at that beauty.
This is more one, but
Well, that was a surprise to run into him. I wasn't expecting to see him here today, and look what he gave me. It's so pretty. I love it. What a great day this is turning out to be. And I have my eyes on this. Yeah, I want to get some of these. Beautiful. Okay, let's take these babies to the van. Goodbye, friend. I found my babies.
To come over here to JC Growers in Hilroy. Yeah, they have a good price for them.